Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Twin Foodies 24. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. So yesterday I just came across these 4 refreshing flavors of buttermilk from Paperboat and I thought of reviewing the same. Talking about buttermilk, we all know it's a rich source of probiotics and it helps in metabolism. According to health and beauty blogs, the bacteria present in buttermilk will naturally boost your immune system. So consuming a glass of buttermilk every day will help you to keep your body hydrated. This buttermilk from Paperboat comes in 4 different flavors, that is jeera, pudina, coriander and southern masala. I have tried all the 4 flavors and my personal favorite is coriander flavor because it just feels like homemade buttermilk and I liked it a lot. You should definitely try it once. I'm sure you're gonna fall in love with it. I'll just tell you what's written in the pack. It says it's enriched with vitamin D. As we all know, vitamin D plays a very significant role in strengthening our bones. This whole pack contains 250 milliliters of buttermilk. That's quite a good quantity. And it comes for rupees 30. I think it's quite reasonable. It's written that it's enriched with vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 plays a very essential role in the production of red blood cells and DNA, as well as proper functioning of our nervous system. It says no added preservatives and no added colors. It means it's natural. So let's see the shelf life. It says best before 180 days from manufacture. That means you can preserve this for 180 days. It has a quite good storage life. Coming to nutritional information, it says energy 20.6 kcal, that means kilocalories. Carbohydrates 2.4 grams, added sugar 0.0, that's 0 added sugar. Protein 1.4 grams, then fat 0.6 grams, calcium 51.0 milligrams, added vitamin D 2.0 mcg, that means micrograms, added vitamin B12 0.2 mcg. That's about the nutritional information. So if you are on a diet, you can go for this without any hesitation. Another good thing about this is you can restore this bottle after use because it has a nice cap. You can just close the cap and preserve it in refrigerator and you can have it whenever you want. As I have already tried this, I want my twin sister to try all of this and say which one does she like. So over to her. So first let me try coriander buttermilk. It's giving a refreshing lemony taste. People, those who prefer adding chopped coriander leaves to their buttermilk, this is a better option for them. Tastes really yummy. Now let me try this jeera buttermilk. It's giving a warm and nutty aroma and an earthy flavor. You all know cumin is good in digestion, so this is a tasty yet a healthy option. Now let me try southern masala buttermilk. It's a bit sour and salty. I can feel the taste of southern spices here. It's really appetizing. I like this flavor very much. Finally, let me try this pudina buttermilk. It's a bit sweet, imparting a cool flavor to mouth. You all know mint is a good detoxifier, so this is an healthy option. So I tasted all the flavors and I liked all of them. So my personal favorite is Sadran Masala Buttermilk. It's really delectable. You should definitely try it.